Welcome. I see you're just like me and you have decided that you're not about to keep paying an arm and a leg for some braids. Same girl. Today we'll be doing Fulani knotless braids and I have all the tips and tricks to get you through it. And don't worry, this is beginner friendly, so keep watching. Here are a few styles I saw on Instagram that caught my eye. So I will be creating an inspired look based off of those. Today, I will be going over the 3 things you need to get the best results and a few other tips and tricks along the way, okay? Number 1, it is important to pre-part your hair. Why? Because it saves you time and effort that you could be using towards braiding. And it also ensures that you get the cleanest results. There are 2 ways to pre-part. You can use a mirror and ask a family or friend to go over your parts, or you can download the Shutter app. I have a Canon EOS Rebel T8i, and the Shutter app allows me to Bluetooth my camera and display my screen. The app offers features such as remote control display and importing photos from your camera. And so today I'll be using the Shutter app to part my hair in the back. I enjoy this app because it's made braiding my own hair easier and allows me to achieve that salon look without paying salon prices, okay? I frequently wear braids for my protective styles, and if you ask me, it's definitely worth the investment. On to number 2. Using a braiding jam is so important, okay? Using the braiding jam makes your braids look neater. I use it at the base of my braids to lay the hairs down, as well as on my actual hair, the strands, as I'm braiding to prevent flyaways. I use the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders' extra firm hold, and you can find that in my link below or at your local beauty supply store. And I want to stop right here so I don't forget, if you are enjoying this content, please like and subscribe, okay? Join the family. All right, enough. On to point 3. This is the most important point. Like, you need this point. Give yourself grace. Braiding isn't the easiest skill, but once you have it, it's yours forever. Your first few braids may be a little wonky, but as you continue to try, it gets easier. The movements are more familiar. That's key. Parting is one of the biggest tasks with this style, but remember to not be too hard on yourself, because honestly, depending on how thick you want your braids, no one is going to be able to see most of the braids, okay? So as long as you're getting the front pretty straight and like mid area, you're green, okay? And braiding can also take a long time, especially if this is your first time. So in order to not get overwhelmed, I like to split mine up in 2 days. I do my front half of my head on the first day and then the back half of my head on the second day. And this has been so helpful for me. So if you're a type of person that gets overwhelmed or like with the thought of doing your hair, I think that would be the way to go. Those were my 3 points, and now I want to go into the tips and tricks, okay? This is your gems. So to move faster, braid down past your hair and then move on to the next braid. Like, don't braid every braid down to the bottom until you're finished. And that's a way that you can move through it faster. And once you're all the way down and you've braided them all, cut away the flyaways with some scissors. That'll just make it neater. Braid in windows, and your braids will be fuller. So, one in the middle, you'll have one on the left and the right of that braid. So that's what it means to braid in windows. And this is so important. Knot your braids at the bottom. Knot your braids at the bottom so that they don't unravel. If you don't knot your braids at the bottom, you've done this for nothing. If you watch this all the way through, you the realest, okay? All right, now it's your turn. Feel free to include any additional tips you have down in the comment section below. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.
This here is also true for you. It's not like